Hey guys, guess who went shopping? I have been blessed by the thrifting gods. I'm excited to share basically my largest dress haul of the year. I think this has to be the most epic finds as far as fabric cuts, kind of just the length of the dresses itself. This was basically just a random, not even on the way home secondhand stop where I didn't have a plan, didn't have anything on my list. Just one stop, one store where I had picked up all these pretties. I ended up with, I think, 17 dresses. They do all need a really good bath and some fixing, but I love the process of being able to source and find dresses like these that, they do need work, do need restoration to bring them back to life. But being a self-taught seamstress, not all clothing is made to fit 5'3". Everything is always too long, and really being able to tailor a dress or really any article of clothing to your own shape really makes a big difference in how you feel, how you can get it to shape, such as being able to enhance or hide the parts and pieces you choose, and overall having options to make things work better for your body type. So this is my thrifting haul.